Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Growing Guitar. We have Wednesday here. That means Wish Wednesday. You wish for songs, I bring them up here for you. And this time we have you, Super Mario Morton. You wish for the Citizen Soldiers, Say Nothing. A nice choice there, Super Morton. Thank you for that. Citizen Soldier has a special place in my heart. I found them when I started this YouTube channel, and I've followed them since, and I really think they have a good choice of songs there. Nice message always. So yeah, this is not an exception. Say Nothing is a nice song. So let's take a look at this one. Hope you will enjoy this, Super Morton, and all you CS fans. So we're gonna do this with capo on first. That will be the best scenario. And with that, we have 4 different chords only. All right, so let's look at the chords. We have first the F. That's a bar chord. You play the bar here on the 1st fret over all strings. And then you need to add 3rd on A, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. We have the A minor. So that is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. We have the C. That is 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. And the final chord is the G, but it looks a little bit different than usually. It goes like this. So this part is from the actual G chord, but then we'll go with this down on the 1st B string, all right? So it gives us 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 1st B, and open E. Because we have that note we want to emphasize. So that's the reason for G looking like this for this specific song. All right, so there we have the chords F, A minor, C, and G. We're going to take a look at the verse play, and that is actually the same as the chorus play. So that's nice. It goes first F here. We're going to take a look at the strumming pattern as they come to us, because we have 2 different types of them. So F, you're gonna play, okay, that is 4 downs basically, but you play the emphasis on the 3rd down here, where you go down and play on the higher notes. All the other downs you play on the bass notes. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, that is 1 round, and that's what you're gonna play for F. Then A minor, you play the same. Right? And then we have finally the G, because that is how the chord progression ends, F, A minor, and G. So G, you go up to this position here and grab the G, and you're gonna play, right? So that is a total of 8 downs, but you emphasize different downs now. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you emphasize the 4th and the 7th down. So you do that in the same way as the previous emphasized string patterns. You play the emphasized on the higher strings, and all the other downs you play on the bass. So 4th and 7th will be down here. All the other downs on the bass strings. So bass, 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 top, bass, bass, top, bass. So right? And that is 1 round. So to summarize this, we had F and A minor played in the same way. Bass, bass, top, bass, 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 top, bass, 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 top, bass, bass, top, bass. So that is both the verse and the chorus play. In between there comes the pre-chorus, okay, where it starts in the lyrics, I believe, feeling like a burden or something like that. Here you're gonna play the chord progression F, G, A minor, and back to G. And you're gonna use the same strumming as we played for G in the verse and chorus play. Then bass, 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 top, bass, bass, top, bass. We emphasize the 4th and 7th down. So you're gonna play one of these strumming patterns for each and every chord. Like I said, F, G, A minor, and G. It goes like this. Right? So F, G, A minor, and G. For only this one round, and then comes the chorus, and we just learned that it's the same as the verse play. So there you have the main parts of it. But then about 2 minutes and 9 seconds into the song, but also 3 minutes and 16 seconds into the song comes the bridge parts and also the outro, which is played in the same way. So here you're gonna play the chord progression A minor, 2 string rounds, F, 2 string rounds, C, 2 string rounds, and G, 2 string rounds. You're gonna play that chord progression for 2 rounds in total. Okay, and the string you're gonna use now is the one you used for the F and the A minor in the verse and chorus play. So that means the 4 downs, bass, bass, top, bass. All right, so you use that bass, bass, top, bass. That is 1 string round. You're gonna play 2 of these string rounds per chord in the chord progression A minor, F, C, and G. And that's chord progression you play for 2 rounds. So it goes like this: A minor, F, F, C, C, and G. Second round, A minor, F, F, C, C, and G. That is a bridge part at 209, and then you're gonna play the same then in the outro part at 316. And then you have all the parts you need to put this together. Citizen Soldiers, Say Nothing. So Super Martin, hope you can say something here on Goran Guitar. I love to get some feedback, especially on these Wish Wednesdays. So thank you for interacting with me so far, and I hope to see you here soon again. And for all you Citizen Soldier fans, hope you enjoyed this. If you did, feel free to support me on Goran Guitar. And until next time, play tuned.